Can you describe?
It's sticky. Some flour corn thing, but it's a bit of gummy.
I'm trying to find the flavor, but it's very bland.
Actually, yeah, like I said, it's like a bit like sticky rice.
It's a little bit bitter at the end, but
Really? No, I like it. Can I smell?
Yeah.
It's really good. Yeah, it smells like corn.
I have no idea.
does it have basil?
I thought by
Cooking it with
sort of
something.
tea, but
Okay, leaves.
are those banana leaves?
No, this lotus leaf.
Lotus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you rather have this like breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
I think dinner.
It looks like rice, I guess.
Yeah.
Entonces, la textura es parecida a la del arroz, pero es un poco más chiclosa, no sé.
Más pastosa.
Se parece al mote.
Al mote, claro.
Sí,
Sí.
que es bien popular en Chile.
Pero
Es rico.
es rico, me gustó.
That's one way of trying this dish with your bare hand and you eat directly, and the other way to try it is with fresh banana.
How do you open these things? So it's like
Yeah,
dip it.
yeah.
I'm very curious if this is different.
Latino, sí.
How is that?
It's good.
Yeah. You guys like it?
Yeah.
I would say it's like oat. It's really good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Exactly the same sticky rice. Instead of mango, it's with banana.
Okay, I understand that. So,
I did with tea flavors because of the leaves.
Buena la combinación, sí. Es como más.
Sería bueno
postre.
moler el plátano
Combinarlo.
y combinarlo, hacer como una pasta.
Now it's more like a dessert.
Now I taste more the banana.
Good with the rice, yeah.
Probably second way. Second way better.
No, I like the combination. We would, in my country, we would have this as breakfast. Yeah, with yogurt or with the banana.
with the banana.
Yes.
Why?
Because otherwise it just tastes like rice.
Con alguna salsa encima,
Yeah.
de frambuesa.
For me, it doesn't matter. I like bananas. so,
So,
with or without the rice,
yeah, okay.
I like them both. So. Kom.
Gom?
Gom is kom. Kom?
Like we love com.
Yeah, com. Try com. Prueba com con plátano. Es muy bueno.
So, have you ever tried the?
No, never before.
Okay, so can you give me your comment when you first see it?
Well, it kind of looks like a root vegetable.
Yeah.
It smells a little bit like potato.
So it's a fruit.
No, it's
No.
like a vegetable root.
Okay.
So I think in Malaysia you are familiar with
Yes.
cassava.
Cassava, but
Yeah.
it's cooked differently here than it is in Malaysia.
So how do you cook cassava in Malaysia?
Mostly it's boiled and then it's added to a coconut milk sweet broth added, and then that's how we eat it principally.
Can you try one for me?
Yeah, sure.
Any piece?
Okay, thank you very much.
Texture, a bit like potato or a sweet potato. Very mild flavour.
Yeah, it's very similar to potatoes and potatoes in general. It's not bad. It's kind of glutinous.
This is how it tastes, but I have never had it without anything. It tastes in its true element, delicious as well. It's creamy.
It tastes like a potato.
Very close to potato.
Very close to boiled potatoes.
Well, in Vietnam, the Vietnamese people, we usually eat this type of fruit with sugar. We dip it in sugar and eat. So I have the sugar right here for you, and you see any difference here?
Okay, it reminds me also chestnuts.
Yeah,
Can be in a kind of way.
The taste is little bit like that. I have the sugar for you. You can dip it in the sugar and
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually nice.
The sugar is very nice.
So, in your opinion, is better with sugar or without sugar?
Well, for me, I think it's better with sugar. It gives it a whole more flavour, you know. Without sugar, it's quite bland. So, if not sugar, then you could serve it with something else as well, like a sauce or something maybe.
So, in your opinion, will you eat with yuca for breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
I'm unlikely. I'm from Australia, so this sort of thing we would not have for breakfast.
Okay.
But it tastes pretty nice, pretty healthy. Yeah, apart from the sugar, of course.
Okay. Thank you. You can finish the whole thing.
Okay.
So if you do it with salt or something salty, you can also, I think, mash it like mashed potatoes. So it can be for lunch or dinner. But you can use it as a dessert or, you know, sweet treat as well. So I think everything goes well with that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have you eaten food before?
I have eat food, yes.
But a little bit spicy and it's like caramel popcorn with like spice at the end.
Xin chào các bạn, mình đang có một đĩa cơm sấy ở đây và hôm nay mình sẽ lên Hồ Gươm để thử phản ứng của người nước ngoài khi lần đầu tiên ăn món này nhá. Chúng mình đi thôi. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, where you come from?
Israel.
Okay.
I'm from Germany.
Okay, hi.
I come from France.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Germany.
Yeah, okay.
Vancouver.
Wow.
We're from Germany.
Oh.
We are from Australia.
Oh, yeah.
We are from Germany.
Yeah, you too, right? Yes. Yeah. Can you intro yourself?
Yeah. My name is Shakib. My name is Aurel.
Yeah.
My name is Tomer.
I'm Julia and I'm from Germany.
Yeah.
I'm Katie, also from Germany.
Yeah, okay. Now I have a food from Vietnamese and you can get what is it?
I think it's rice with
rice.
Wow.
With
With sugar.
with
And chili.
sugar and
Chili.
cheese.
Yeah. Chili.
Almost.
Almost chili.
Yeah.
It's
It looks like Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
Crisp rice.
Puffed rice with something else in it.
Yeah.
And where it is from? Is it from Hanoi or Saigon?
Is this
or
from
Kanto?
Hanoi?
Hanoi?
Yeah.
From Hanoi.
Yeah.
Italian rice.
Yeah, with burn it and this is salty meat.
Oh.
Yeah. Now
What's
you
the
can from pork.
Pork.
Yeah. Oh no.
In Israel we don't eat pork. We're Jewish. We can eat pork.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really?
Jewish
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry.
It's good.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I get guess what is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Sauce?
It looks like popped something.
Yeah.
So we eat it? Popped rice corns or something?
Yeah, a little
Yeah?
bit. Yeah, you can try it.
Okay, try it. Small piece.
Oh, sure, but does it have any seafood?
No.
Okay, then we're okay. Would you like to try some?
Okay. Yeah, okay, now you can try and you can describe how do you feel? Oh, doggy! How did you try?
Oh, maybe I'll just have a quick bite of Sven.
Okay. How does it smell?
What?
It's a good smell, right?
It's salty,
Yeah,
not sweet.
yeah.
A little spicy.
How is it feeling? Very crispy, but very delicious. Yeah, it is, right?
Not so sweet.
Yeah, not sweet. Yeah.
Perhaps sweet? No.
No.
Rice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Softened rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Pepper.
yeah.
Yes, piment. Yes.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
So, a small taste of fish
Fish?
or seafood.
Oh no, it's not seafood. And you can try this.
Oh, sure, I'll try some of this. And how do you
Okay.
Kind of good.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah. So it's spicy.
Kind of.
Yeah. And do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can try one more.
Yeah? Just like a nice snack.
I don't know what it is, but it
it's
tastes
not.
good.
Yeah, but it's not that super. It doesn't have a super strong taste. Like it's puffed rice, so it's basically like popcorn with a little bit of salt.
Yeah, you think it likes popcorn, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
But popcorn salty?
Salty, yes,
Yeah,
and
not sweet.
with some spices. Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to try some?
What is it?
I don't know. It's Vietnamese food. This is my husband.
Yeah.
He's with us here.
Hi.
Hi.
And you can sit near it and I will.
We're on YouTube.
Okay. Hi.
All right.
Yeah, you can try it and you can describe your feeling about your food.
Okay, cool. It's like a Rice Krispie cake, but a little bit spicy and not sweet, but savory. It's good. It's really good. Yeah.
Okay.
It's good texture, good flavor. I like this.
Yeah, thank you. So, okay.
Every time. Okay.
And what if we don't like it?
Okay, you can try. If you don't like, you can take back.
It's good.
But, yeah.
Yeah. Now, how do you feel?
So, how do I feel?
I
does
feel
it-
about this food.
I feel very good.
Yeah.
Also without it. But with it, it's
Rice,
Yeah, right.
a little bit sweet, salty, and spicy mixture.
Yeah, this is burnt rice.
Burn rice?
Yeah. Have you tried it before?
No, never. I never tried it before.
No, it's the first time. But we like it. It's very good. Have you tried it before?
No.
Yeah.
Is it spicy for you?
Kind of. Yeah. And if you have a chance, you can try it again.
Yes, yes, I would eat it again. It's good.
Yeah, it's a burnt rice. This name of food.
Burnt rice?
Yeah. And we made it from rice and pork.
Rice
Yeah.
and pork.
Okay, it's burnt rice.
Yeah.
Bun rice,
Yep, burnt rice. And the Vietnamese name is cơm cháy.
cơm cháy,
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And this is made from pork.
pork.
Yeah.
It's like the fat of the pork.
Yeah, right.
It's very tasty. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
So, when will you eat this?
We will eat that when watching movie or
When you go to a movie? Is
Yeah.
it like popcorn in America?
yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's very
Yeah.
good. Very
It's a
tasty.
little bit like
You can eat one thing and you can tell with me what you feeling about the food.
About this one. Okay.
Yeah. Is it good?
No, it's very nice. It's very good. It's very croustillant. Yes.
It's nice, but yeah, I can feel that it's a bit spicy.
Yeah.
It's like caramel popcorn with like spice at the end.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
say this like popcorn.
Yeah.
Salty.
It's like a salty popcorn,
Yeah.
but with a caramel, sugary taste.
Have you tried it before?
No, first time.
First time.
Yeah. So what do you think about it?
Tasty. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, very crispy, so it's very good. But now there's a little bit of spiciness coming out.
Yeah.
So at least for our tongue, you know, we don't eat very spicy food. So now it's a little bit spicy.
So do you like it?
Yes, definitely.
So have you eat this before?
No, I've never seen that before.
Never seen that. Is it popular here?
Yeah. It's like a snack in the Vietnamese.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Have you eat food before?
What? I have eat food, yes.
Yeah, this food. Have you tried before? No.
But in general, I eat every day. No.
Yeah. So do you like that?
Yeah, it's okay, but it's like a snack in between lunch and dinner, maybe.
Right. This is burnt rice, and we all do it when we are watching TV or talking with friends.
Okay.
It's like some snack of Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for trying. Thank you.
It's a little bit strong.
This is good, right?
Yes, it's good rice.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
And you can try it again if you have a chance.
Yeah, we'll eat it again. Yeah, probably.
Yeah. And do you like it or no?
No, it's good. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And can you say hi and take a picture with camera?
Which one? This one?
Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
And you like it, right?
Oh, yeah, it's good. It's Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
We like
use
it.
when we are watching video or movie or talking to someone. If we have a chance, you try it again. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep, I probably would.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rather salty. What will you drink with it? Because I'm getting thirsty already.
You can drink with water or cola. The Coke.
But also with beer.
What?
With
Beer?
beer?
Beer from Saigon.
Yeah,
from
beer.
Hanoi.
Yeah. Beer. I think I like beer Saigon.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Great, it's very tasty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Vừa rồi là những cảm nhận của những người nước ngoài khi thử món cơm cháy của Việt Nam. Còn các bạn nghĩ thế nào? Hãy để lại comment phía bên dưới cho mình biết nhé. Còn bây giờ, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.